Hi cuties! Welcome to day 28 of Project League Everyday. Grabe guys, day 28 na tayo. 2 araw na lang. So I started my day doing what I usually do, of course, working. And while I was doing that, dumating na yung kinontak ko to deep clean our washing machine. So ayun, pinapasok na namin siya sa likod where our washing machine is para makapag-start na siya. And bago kayo mag-comment, disclaimer muna tayo guys. As you can see, sobrang dumi talaga sa likod right now. Maulan kasi lately and here in Tagaytay kapag sunod-sunod yung ulan, ang bilis talaga maglumot ng walls. Plus as you guys know, ongoing pa rin yung renovation ng bahay namin. So don't worry guys, lahat yan kasama sa aayusin. Magre-repaint, maglilinis, and marami pang magbabago once matapos na talaga yung renovation. Trust the process muna tayo guys. So while kuya was busy deep cleaning the washing machine, sakto naman na dumating din yung mga gagawa ng kitchen cabinets namin. Ayan na, another renovation update. Tinanggal na nila yung old kitchen cabinets because papalitan na namin siya. This time we're having aluminum cabinets made and guys, sobrang excited na talaga ako makita yung magiging finished kitchen namin. Pero right now, if you can see, mas lalo lang siyang gumulo kasi syempre lahat ng dating laman ng cabinets kailangang ilabas. So kung feeling nyo magulo na yung bahay namin ng mga nakarang araw, mas magulo pa siya ngayon. But you know what they say, it gets worse before it gets better. So tiis-tiis muna tayo sa kalat because hopefully worth it lahat once matapos na. After a few hours, natapos na rin si kuya sa pag-deep clean ng washing machine. Pinakita niya na sa amin yung before and after and grabe, doon mo talaga makikita kung gaano karaming dumi yung naipon sa washing machine na hindi mo naman nakikita from the outside. At least now, fresh and clean na ulit siya, di ba? Then fast forward to the evening, work mode na naman tayo. I had a meeting with one of our clients and fun fact, kawork ko rin dito yung cousin ko. So habang hinihintay pa namin yung client na pumasok sa meeting, ang ending, yung mga anak muna namin ang nag-meeting. Nag-video call muna sila, nag-usap-usap habang kaming mga parents naghihintay ng actual work meeting namin, o di ba? And ayun, that's pretty much day 28. Mostly work, house renovation stuff, and regular life at home. And yes, magulo pa rin ang bahay. Actually, mas magulo pa nga ngayon dahil tinanggal na yung cabinets at nakalabas lahat ng gamit namin. But it's okay, it gets worse before it gets better talaga. And hopefully, konting tiis na lang and makikita na rin natin yung finished result ng renovation. And grabe, day 28 done. 2 days to go, guys. Thank you so much for still watching and following along, cuties. Even on the days na wala namang super exciting na nangyayari. See you on day 29. Bye!